Hello everyone, myself Megha Bhatta from DPS Advani Lamachon, your bio teacher. So children, from today onwards we are going to start a new chapter, improvement in food resources. So what is food? Food is a material substance that provide energy for body functions and materials for growth, repair, development and health. And it provides the body with proteins, carbohydrates, fats, vitamins and minerals. And you know children, food yielding plants and animals, they are reared by human beings under their own supervision. So there are two special fields. What are these? Agriculture and animal husbandry. So we get food from plants like cereals, vegetables, fruits and clothing and shelter.
And we also depend on animals for food like milk, butter, cheese, egg, and meat, and clothing like leather, wool, and silk. But the availability of food and other materials from agriculture and animal husbandry has always fallen short of requirement due to rapid rise in human population. And India is a very populous country, and we are the second largest country in the world if we see the population. And for this growing population, we will soon need more than 250 million tons of grain every year. And this can be done by farming on more land. But India is already intensively cultivated. देखिए हमारी पॉपुलेशन अभी भी बढ़ते जा रही है और इसके लिए जो फूड रिक्वायरमेंट है, जो ग्रेन की रिक्वायरमेंट है, इट इज़ इंक्रीजिंग year by year. Every year it is increasing. And increase in the production can be brought about by the development and use improved varieties with high yield and better managerial practices. We have had the Green Revolution, which contributed to increased food grain production. And we have also had the White Revolution, which has led to better and more efficient use as well as availability of milk. देखिए वाइट रिवॉल्यूशन से मिल्क का प्रोडक्शन इंक्रीज हुआ और ग्रीन रिवॉल्यूशन से फूड ग्रेन का प्रोडक्शन इंक्रीज हुआ. Blue revolution, it enhanced fish production, and yellow revolution increased oil production, and golden revolution, it increased pulse production. However, these revolutions mean that our natural resources are getting used more intensively. As a result, there are more chances of causing damage to our natural resource to the point of destroying their balance completely. Therefore, it is important that we should increase food production without degrading our environment and disturbing the balance maintaining it. And this is possible through genetic improvement of crop plants and adopting sustainable agriculture, which minimize the use of chemicals as fertilizers and pesticides. और ये तभी हो सकता है जब हम जेनेटिकली इम्प्रूव्ड क्रॉप प्लांट्स को बोएं और एक सस्टेनेबल एग्रीकल्चर प्रैक्टिस फॉलो करें जिसमें केमिकल्स और फर्टिलाइजर्स और पेस्टिसाइड्स का कम से कम यूज़ हो. And similar sustainable practices are required in case of animal husbandry. And simply increasing grain production for storage in warehouses cannot solve the problem of malnutrition and hunger. देखिए अगर हम ग्रेन प्रोडक्शन इंक्रीज करके उसको वेयर हाउसेज में स्टोर कर दें तो malnutrition और हंगर की प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व नहीं होगी because people should have money to purchase food. And the majority of our population depends upon agriculture. The latter must generate more employment, and this is possible by introduction of mixed farming, intercropping, and combining agriculture with various animal husbandry practices like livestock, poultry, fishery, and beekeeping. Agriculture is the science and practice of farming which mainly involves cultivating land, raising crops, reaping, and marketing the produce. And branch of agriculture connected with rearing and management of crop plants is called agronomy. And the science of growing and management of fruits and flowering plants in orchards and gardens is called horticulture. And crops are the plants cultivated by humans for food, fodder, and other materials. And different crops require different climatic conditions, temperature, and photo periods for their growth and maturation. And sunlight is required for photosynthesis or manufacture of food by the plants. So children, what is photoperiods? Photoperiods are duration of sunlight that influence the plants in their growth, flowering, formation of storage organs, leaf fall, etc. Children, broadly, there are two seasons of crop growth, Kharif and Rabi. So Kharif crops, they grow during rainy season of June to October, and Kharif crops are also called summer season crops. For example, paddy or rice, maize, millet, groundnut or peanut, soya bean, pigeon pea, black gram or urad, green gram or moong, cotton, jute and hemp. These are Kharif crops. Now Rabi crops. Rabi crops, they grow from November to April. And these crops are also called winter season crops. Wheat, barley, gram, mustard, linseed and pea. These are the examples of Rabi crops. Children, Kharif crops grow in hot and wet conditions, while Rabi crops, they grow in cold and nearly dry conditions. Children, Rabi crops, they are harvested during September, October or at the end of monsoon, while Rabi crops, they are harvested in March to April before the advent of hot season.